if you have any advice to younger generations.
I don't feel so old to give advices for younger generation, for kids, for my kids. What I would say for my 10-year-old boy, to get to know, not to give judgment, but first to get to know. That's I was in the same such a situation. I was very close to the people who were who wrote graffiti on walls, Jude Raus, anti-Semitic without Jews. What does it mean? It's very special for Poland, for Polish people. And yeah, first to get knowledge and then to give judgment.